we were tasked with visiting Madeira and capture its breathtaking beauty with SIRUI's new Saturn carbon fiber anamorphic lenses. Having extensively used the anamorphic lenses in many different environments and subjected them to rigorous and unpredictable weather conditions in both urban and rural settings, we have documented from simple landscape, lifestyle and travel shots to abstract, experimental and cinematic footage. Let me take you on a journey through Madeira and explain why we think the SIRUI Saturn 35, 50 and 75mm lenses will change the filmmaking industry. When traveling, we prioritize portability and mobility, especially when navigating through mountains and exploring busy city streets. The engineering marvel behind the SIRUI Saturn anamorphic lenses is truly remarkable. Not only have they managed to keep all three anamorphic lenses under 500 grams in weight, but they have also added identical gear positions and maintained a near identical form factor across the entire Saturn lens range. This design coherence allowed me to maintain a minimal handheld camera rig, effortlessly put all three lenses in my backpack during challenging hikes, film throughout the day without feeling the weight on my shoulders, and best of all, balance them on the smallest gimbal for maximum mobility. This advantage proved to be extremely valuable when exploring Funchal, because I could easily switch between the lenses to capture both wide and telephoto shots, as well as switch between my handheld rig and a gimbal without having to sacrifice my back and shoulders. All three lenses share a maximum aperture of t2.9, which was a huge help for achieving visually striking oval bokeh. This feature effectively isolates my subject from the background, avoiding unnecessary cluttered shots, and helps me capture beautiful, clean images in low light. Whether documenting vibrant city nightlife, capturing dark and moody waterfall and beach scenes, navigating narrow streets full of color and texture, traversing dusty deserts, breathing in the fresh air of dense forests, observing the aftermath of recent forest fires, or ascending misty mountain peaks. This flexibility is a testament to the thoughtful design principles behind the SIRUI anamorphic lens set. We decided to go with the neutral flare version of the anamorphic lenses. The subtle texture and color produced by these lenses, especially during sunsets, elevates the visual experience. The amber flares make the shots feel a lot warmer and cozier, seamlessly also integrating other light sources such as streetlights into the overall image composition. In conclusion, the SIRUI Saturn anamorphic lens set stands as a testament to innovation and excellence. Just a few years ago, the mere mention of anamorphic evoked images of huge rigs, but today, we find ourselves in an era where the entire anamorphic lens set can be conveniently carried in a compact backpack, providing the capability to capture the moment from different perspectives. The imagery produced by each of these three lenses is consistently exceptional across all forms and contexts, and I believe that they will elevate your cinematography to the next level.